Hello friends, myself Javir Shah and this is my channel Make Learn to Earn. Here I am going to discuss about mechanical subjects, practicals, patent, research and English improvement topics. So if you want to study these topics then please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for the notification update. Thank you very much. Hello friends, and today we are going to discuss about Reynolds model law. As per the theory of Reynolds number, in the Reynolds number video I told you that you need to go through the Reynolds model law video because it will give you the more knowledge about how this law is practically applicable to submarine and aeroplane. So Reynolds number, as per the theory, Reynolds number is nothing but rho v L by mu. Those who are not knowing or those who are viewing this video first time, for them please press this I button in order to view the video of Reynolds number. So here I am comparing M means model with the P means prototype. So rho v L of model divided by mu of model is equal to rho v L divided by mu of prototype. This is called model law relationship. Now we are taking the ratio. Prototype divided by model is equal to ratio. So LP divided by LM is equal to LR, where I can interpret that LR means length ratio, the ratio of length of prototype with respect to length of model. Rho v L divided by mu. Now from this equation I can say that if I am dividing all the prototype terms with all the model terms or all the model terms with all the prototype terms, I am able to generate this equation rho r v r L r divided by mu r is equal to 1, where rho r is the ratio of density, rho of prototype divided by rho of model, vr means the ratio of velocity of prototype divided by velocity of model, as well as in the same manner lr and mu r. So from this equation I am concluding the equation of VR, which is nothing but mu r goes at the numerator side and rho r and VLR goes at the denominator side. So here mu r at the numerator side and rho r and LR at the denominator side. Now scale ratio. Time. If I want to find out time is nothing but length divided by velocity. Length having a unit of meter and velocity having a unit of meter per second. So when meter is divided by meter per second, the unit obtained is second. That's why LR divided by, instead of VR, I am putting this equation mu r divided by rho r into LR. So it gives me the equation rho r LR square divided by mu r. So here is the scale ratio is obtained. Next, acceleration. Acceleration is nothing but velocity divided by time. So whatever of the equation of velocity, mu r divided by rho r and LR, and it divided by time, the equation which I have taken recently, this is TR, time. This equation I am putting over here, rho r LR square divided by mu r. The final equation of acceleration is generated is nothing but this one, mu r square divided by rho r square into LR cube. In the same manner, if we are going further, in the same manner for the force is nothing but mass into acceleration as per the Newton's second law. So mass is nothing but density into volume, area into length. So instead of area, I am writing LR square because the unit of the area is meter square and unit of the LR is meter. And instead of LR, I am putting LR itself. So the final equation is rho r into LR cube. So the ratio of force is equal to mass, this equation, into acceleration, which is the equation which we have recently derived. So force is equal to the mass equation rho r into LR cube into acceleration equation. So from this derivation we are able to conclude this density and density term will cancel out, and this cubical term of LR will be cancelled out itself. So the final equation derived is Fr is equal to mu r square divided by rho r. If you are solving some Model's law equation or dimensionless number examples, then you are facing some difficulty. In that examples, what happen? They are taking the value of Fr directly mu r square divided by rho r. But how it happens, that is not known in the example. So here is the theory. Now discharge QR. QR is equal to, this is a wrong definition. Why it is wrong? Because it is taken AR divided by BR. So what is the correct equation? The correct equation is discharge is equal to area into velocity as per the continuity equation. So area means LR square and velocity means mu r divided by rho r into LR. So one LR gets cancelled out and final equation derived is discharge is equal to mu r LR divided by rho r. In the same manner, if you want to find out power, then scale ratio for the power, it means force into velocity. Force means mu r square divided by rho r into velocity means mu r divided by rho r into LR. So power is nothing but mu r cube divided by rho r square into LR, where mu is the dynamic viscosity, rho is the density, and LR is the length, and P is the power ratio. R represent ratio of prototype with respect to model. If I want to convert power in terms power, what is the unit of power? Watt. What do you mean by watt? Joule per second. What do you mean by joule? Newton into meter per second. If I want to continue further, then what is Newton? Newton means kg into meter per second square. So my basic idea is each and every engineer at least having such ability to convert any unit in terms of MKS, meter, kg and second. This is the moral of the story. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, press the like button, subscribe my channel, and also share it with the other persons of your same career so that they will be benefited with this video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.